Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new way on how you can follow to create a monetizable TikTok account right here in Nigeria or any other country where TikTok monetization is not currently available. Because as of today, TikTok monetization for your videos is only available in 7 countries right now, which are the United States, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Japan, South Korea, and Brazil. So if you are living outside of any of these countries that I mentioned right now, you could not be able to monetize your TikTok videos. So even if your videos are generating thousands of views, millions of views, you cannot be able to make money from them. Yes, you can still be able to make money from going live or from receiving gifts from your subscribers, but from the millions of views or the thousands of views that your videos are generating, you cannot be able to make money from them if you're living outside of these 7 countries. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a TikTok account that you can be able to monetize so that you can make money from each of those videos. Okay, so right now, the first thing that you need to do right now is just to open up your phone and go to your Google Play Store or go to your App Store if you are using an iPhone. All right, now once you come over right here, simply go ahead and download the TikTok app or update the TikTok app. If you don't have the newest version, go ahead and click on update. Now once you have updated the app, go ahead and click on open. So right now, once your app has been opened, just go ahead and click on profile right now. So if you click on profile, now take a look at where you have your username up here. So this place that I have Osh King. Now you can see an arrow that is pointing down right here. Go ahead and click on that arrow. Now if you click on that arrow, it's going to show you the accounts that you already have right here. So the account that I have below right here, which is showing Martin EU, is actually my Nigerian account. But the one that is showing Martin's hustle right now is actually my international TikTok account, which I can be able to monetize. But because I want to show you guys how you can do this thing from scratch, I'm going to go ahead and create a new TikTok account so that you can see how to do this. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on add account. Now once you click on add account, if you take a close look right here on the bottom of this page, you are going to see where TikTok says that by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and services and so on and so forth. So right now, what you need to do is, if you are living in Nigeria, or maybe if you are living in Ghana right now, this place they wrote Nigeria, you will see Ghana. If you are living in Pakistan, in India, or any country right now, you will see the country that you're currently residing there. So what you have to do is to go ahead and tap that your country. So right now, I'm going to tap Nigeria. So if I tap on Nigeria right now, it's going to load up and bring out where I can be able to select a different country or region. So what I have to do right now is to go ahead and select any of these 7 countries that TikTok monetization is eligible on. So right now, I will just simply go right here and search for United Kingdom, okay, because we're trying to create a UK TikTok account right now. So if I select United Kingdom, so right now you can see that it has changed from Nigeria to United Kingdom. Okay, so once you have done that, now the next thing you need to do, you can see where it says sign up for TikTok. Now it's asking us to put our phone number right now, and because we don't have a UK or US phone number, all we simply have to do under this all, we have to go ahead and select the email right here so that we can be able to use our email address to sign up. Okay, now the email address that you're going to be using to sign up is an email address you have never used at all to sign up on TikTok or to do anything with TikTok. Okay, so I advise you go ahead and create a fresh email address when you are doing this. So I'll go ahead right now to add the fresh email address I've created for this. Now once you have added your email address, go ahead and click on continue. So here it's going to send a code to that email. So just go back to that email and copy the code. So the code is 070927. So here it's going to ask you when is your birthday. So go ahead and add in your birthday right here and click on continue. Now, once you have done that, it will ask you now to go ahead and create your password. So we'll go ahead right now and type in our password. Once you have done that, click on continue. So here it's going to ask you to create your nickname. So this is where you're going to be entering the username you want to use for the TikTok account. So I'll just call this one Martin Hustle _ official. So I'll go ahead and click on continue. So right now, as you can see that we have created our international TikTok accounts right now. Okay, now the next thing that we need to do right now, let me show you. If we go back right here and click on this place that we have 3 dot icon right now, this place that we have one notification right here, if we go ahead and click on it now and go ahead and click on this TikTok studio. So if we scroll down right here, so you are going to see under monetization, you are going to see creator rewards program. Okay, so right here, if you go ahead and click on learn more right now, so that you can be able to go ahead and apply for the creators reward program. So right here, it's going to tell us you are so close to joining creator rewards program. So here it's going to tell us some of the things that we need to complete for us to be able to join. So there are 3 requirements right here. Okay, the first one is that we must be at least 18 years old for us to be able to apply. So when you're adding your birthday, if you're already over 18 years old, it means you have passed the first one. The second one is you need to have at least 10,000 followers. Okay, now the third one is you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So once you have completed all these sections, which is very easy to achieve on TikTok, you can simply go ahead under this place right now. You are going to see a link that will allow you to go ahead and click on apply, and they're going to go ahead and monetize your account. And also, if you want them to notify you when you are eligible, which is where you have met all these criteria, click on notify me when I am eligible. So guys, that is how you can be able to go ahead and create your international TikTok account that you can be able to use to monetize your videos. Okay, so just go back right here. You can go ahead and complete your profile. All you need to do, just add in your profile picture, add in your bio right here, and go ahead and start uploading your videos on these accounts. Okay, and once you have met the requirement that TikTok is asking for you to join their creator reward program, you can just simply go ahead and apply, and you will get admitted right there to start earning from your videos. I hope you find this video valuable. If you do well to let me know in the comment section, and make sure that you share this video with anyone that you know that will get value from this video. And if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, go ahead right now to subscribe on this channel, like this video and click the bell notification icon, so that once I drop new videos right here, YouTube notify you to come here and take advantage of that video. Now, before you go, if you are a student or a stay-at-home mom or someone that is looking for a side hustle you can do to make money online, I will encourage you right now to go over to my YouTube channel right now and go ahead and watch this particular video right here that I showed you guys how you can be able to start making money as a student right here. Okay, I'm going to encourage you right now to go ahead and start watching this video. I'm going to include the link to this particular video that you're seeing that is playing on my screen right now right here, so that you can click it right now and go ahead and watch it to see a side hustle you can start right now that can help you to start earning online. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and go ahead right now to watch these videos displaying on your screen right now.